First, ma'am, congratulations for your innovation.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, ma'am, I would like to be clarified lang, ma'am, no? Pasigarbo Awards. Nagahatag awards ang school, ma'am, or ang bilog na division sa Cadiz?
The school
Sa
itself.
imo lang yan, ma'am, nga school.
Oh, that is our what is this? Own style of recognizing our stakeholders.
Sige, very good. Okay, so ma'am, online and offline Pasigarbo. Very good, ma'am, no, nakapaminsan kasi na, ma'am, that we need to recognize the contribution of different stakeholders in the attainment of your mission and vision of your institution or your school. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations for that. Ang gusto ko lang, ma'am, nga iklaro, ma'am, in giving Pasigarbo, wala ko di, ma'am, nakita, ma'am, nga gintagaan ang mga barangay tanod sang award. May award, ma'am, given to barangay tanod, to parents, to students.
We have a balance and equal opportunity for them to be given an award. Ugaling wala na namon sir na butang tanan.
Okay. But they were given.
Yes, sir.
Such as, for example, ang parents.
Yes, sir.
Kaya ang gusto ko tani, ma'am, makita, ma'am, nga para makita natin, ma'am, immediately ang impact sang Pasigarbo online and offline is that kay naghatag ka, ma'am, sa mga dropout rates, sang mga enrollment rate, and increasing parents' participation. So that means, ma'am, they are contributing factors.
Yes, sir.
No, ang ining Pasigarbo nga ginhatag sa ila nag-contribute nga para magtaas ang enrollment rate, etc., etc. Di ba, ma'am? Or something like that. So, dapat, ma'am, klaruhon talang, ma'am, nga. For example, pila ka parents ang gitagaan award, ano nga award ang ginhatag sa ila. And sa sini nga year, nag-increase ang parents' participation. Why? Because may paghatag sang award sa parent. Pero, ma'am, nakita ko, di ba, ma'am, improved dropout. Anong kinamin mo, ma'am, sang improved dropout? Nag-improve ang dropout?
Ay, no. Sustain. The correct term is sustain the zero dropout.
Oh, sige, ma'am, kay base makibot kita pala, ma'am, nag-improve ang dropout.
Sorry, sir.
Sige, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Now considered, ma'am, that you generate, wow, bongga si ma'am, naka-generate millions, as
Yes,
much as
sir.
millions, ma'am, no? Bongga si ma'am. Is this considered as external funds of
Yes,
your
sir.
school, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Other than the MOA.
Okay. So, naka-generate ka pa
Yes,
fund?
sir.
Very good, ma'am.
That is why it's very easy for us to organize a particular activity because we have more donors. And then we have seen the great impact on the online appreciation of our donors. Kay dito naman lang sila naga-message dayon, sir. Ma'am, sila nga,
ma-pledge.
yes, ma'am.
Ma-pledge.
Ano inyo activity next week? May-ari ko
Okay.
diri amo sina basi pwede dira idugang premyo.
Wow. Are they also product of that institution, of your school?
Some of them, some are private individuals.
Wow, very nice. Nami, ma'am, no?
They
Oo.
are only, I befriended them on Facebook. They have seen our activities on the Progreso Elementary School Facebook page.
Okay. So, amo lang ni ma'am ako suggestion, ma'am, para may impact ang imo, ma'am, nga innovation is that para clear nga ang imo focus is actually ang Pasigarbo. Kay, actually, ma'am, tanan, ma'am, nag-conduct na, ma'am, sang Pasigarbo.
Yes, sir.
So, kumbaga, di na sa new para sa amon. Kay kami, may araman kami Pasigarbo sa amon, tawag sa amon niya appreciation night, something like that. Or ang iba niya, harvest of excellence. Okay? So, ang ako lang gusto, ma'am, nga para mapanami ang imo nga innovation, para ma-highlight kung anong punto sining Pasigarbo, ma'am. Okay? I-highlight mo, ma'am, ang mga stakeholders nga award. Kagangiya sila, nakakontra their percentage of enrollment, mga nag-lower ang dropout, etc., etc. Para ma-highlight, ma'am. Nevertheless, ma'am, congratulations. Thank you.
Noted, sir.
One more thing, ma'am. Inject something nga wala sa gina-practice nga Pasigarbo sang iban nga school para gamiton or i-benchmark ka mo namon, ma'am. I-benchmark ka mo namon nga nami ang Pasigarbo sang progreso.
Yes, sir.
Kadto kami to sa inyo, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma-benchmark kami kung paano nyo conduct ang Pasigarbo. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Okay, and welcome to Progreso Elementary.